Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to subscribe a celebrity or influencer on your Instagram. So if you want a special content or premium content on Instagram, you can subscribe to your influencer or your celebrity on your Instagram. So if you want to subscribe anyone on Instagram, first you need to open your Instagram app, and here you need to click on the profile icon. Now you need to click on the three line icon at the top right, and you need to proceed to setting option. Under setting you will see there are lots of options will be given, but you need to go on the privacy option, and here you need to scroll down and you need to click on the last option, account you follow. Here you will see that there is the option of followers, following and subscription. You need to click on subscription, and here you will see that all creator which you will subscribe. So if I want to subscribe this creator, I need to click on the subscribe button, and it will show that how much I need to pay monthly in order to get his subscription. So you can see that I will get a special badge, I will access some exclusive content, I will also be a member of a small special chat group. So if you want to subscribe anyone on Instagram, first you need to follow them, and then you will see their subscription program. If they are already launching their program, you can see all their subscription program here. So this is the way to subscribe users or celebrities on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to subscribe Instagram celebrities. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.